It is time to end the Marble Cup. Welcome everyone to the middle of space in Space Speedway. This is one of the longest laps we have ever had for a track to end off with the Marble Cup going in zero gravity at times. Drew has the lead in the standings with only the top 10 mathematically eligible to win. Top 14 can still finish in the top 3, though those bottom 2, they suck. Drew, if he gets a podium position, he will win this Marble Cup, and that's all she wrote. It's time to begin the qualifiers. Now, for the last time, Sands will pick Mike Wazowski and SpongeBob. Mike Wazowski and Sands, both championship contenders here. Sands and Mike Wazowski, I think, in a tie for second place, but Sands has the lead of him. It's just the qualifiers. It's not much to do with the actual race. Sands in the lead. Peppa Pig is up there in second. Peppa Pig is almost locked in dead last with only 13 points currently. The 15th having 32 points. Sands is going to be able to win this heat of the qualifiers, but will that time with 31 seconds be able to keep till the end? We'll see. The second heat, Henry Stickmin, Poe, Toad, and Cookie. Poe, a championship contender, and Toad is somewhat a championship contender, but way down in 10th. But if he wins this race, and oh look, Cookie! Oh my gosh! Cookie is gonna stumble in the zero gravity area. Cookie can't even win in the first place, so I don't even know why Cookie's even trying. Back to Toad. Toad has to win this race, and Drew has to get less than 2 points for Toad to win. It can happen, but Toad needs a miracle. Toad will win this heat, but look at Cookie. Cookie is just gonna... That's a 47-second time there. Oh my god, that was bad. 41. 871. That's gonna be dead last for sure. Homer Simpson, Mario, Scratch Cat, and Hamlet. The third heat. Okay, going into... what could call this like a wormhole or something. Area is just zero gravity in its fullest. And by the way, this track fully safe and tested out by experts. The marbles will be okay unless they fall off the course and they're probably dead. Homer Simpson has the lead. Marbles accepted to do this. They were not forced by law. Homer Simpson, that's provisional pole position for him. Homer Simpson, I don't think he can win the overall championship, but he can still podium, I think. Lightning McQueen, Gru, who we won to watch. Peter Griffin and Badlands Chugs. Gru winning the championship by 12 whole points. We have seen the Marble Cup that anything can happen. If Gru gets under 3 points, if any of those top 9 get a medal, Gru will not win. Pretty much, like, that's kind of what I'm saying here. And Lightning McQueen, that's pole position. The Gru's gonna get a middle of the pack spot, and other championship contenders, Mike Wazowski and Sands, are gonna be a big better coming out here. As the lights start, we are here to decide a winner of the Marble Cup. Heading into the first turn, it is gonna be Sands who takes a good lead, but he's gonna lose it immediately, and SpongeBob will take it. Mike Wazowski is gonna go up in second place. Gru has fallen down to 13th now. Hamlin's up there in third place. Toad now in fourth. Toad needs to win this race if he wants to win the championship. Poe. There's Poe up there in like fourth or something. Heading into the second wormhole. Hamlet, so he's gonna fall into two positions. Mike Wazowski's still in the lead. Sanders up in second place. Mike Wazowski, he could be the first marble to win 2 races in the Marble Cup. That has not happened so far. Now Gru looks to be in a tie for around 9th place. We're ending off lap number 1. Mike Wazowski going to have the lead, and that will also give him fastest lap. Sands still up there, getting a nudge by Poe to help him, actually. Henry Stickmin's also up there in second place. Henry Stickmin's going to take the lead with Mike Wazowski and Sands in a fight there. Whoever wins that fight will probably win the season. This is a championship race here. Both of them are going to fall off. Not fall off course, but just do bad. Poe will take the lead. Heading into the elevator for lap 3. You can see, oh, it's getting laggy. Oh, God. It's going to happen again. Okay. And Gru currently with 0 points provisionally in this race. Championship as it stands. Gru will be knocked off the podium. Mike Wazowski would win the championship with 78. Poe would get 76. Maybe Sands would also get third. But looking back at the race, there's SpongeBob also up in 4th. SpongeBob cannot win. SpongeBob looked to be a good marble coming into this series. He won the marble circuit in Marble Olympics 2, which was the closest thing to this. And Mike Wazowski's going to have a good lead, and Poe's going to fall off some positions there, some serious ones as well. Poe also provisionally with fastest lap. That can definitely change into lap number 4. Meanwhile, we have a championship-wide fight here. Mike Wazowski and Sands. It's going to be crazy here. Whoever wins this fight will be winning the championship here. Poe has fallen down to 12th. Oh my gosh. Right next to Gru. Speaking of Gru, again, provisionally 0 points for him. Gru's going to need to make up some good spots. Mike Wazowski with the lead currently. Those two. We're fighting forever. Lightning McQueen is up there in 3rd place as well. Lightning McQueen, a championship contender. With those two fighting off, I don't think it's going to be that easy. You know, Balance Chug's another serious championship contender. Down in 14th. Gru's up in 12th. He can get 1 point. I don't know if that's going to help him. Starting off lap 5. Getting near the halfway point of this race. These wormholes are really intense as well. The marble goes slow into the wormhole. They're going to stay slow in the wormhole. A lot of serious speed we'll see as well. Maybe head into the wormhole. Oh, look at Sands. Sands is going to slow down like Cookie did in the qualifiers. Sands is going to fall down to only 3rd. Did someone like nudge him to do better or something? But Sands that's knocked out of this race maybe and knocked out of championship contention. You know, group in 11th, that'll be 2 points. But still with Mike Wazowski in the lead, I don't think that's going to be enough. Poe has gone up to 6th place. He's recovered a little bit. If you look at the provisional championship, Mike Wazowski would still win. Lightning McQueen would take 2nd. It would be Gru by medals. But again, we're only in lap 6, so a lot can change. Poe still with fastest lap as well. This would be his 4th fastest lap if he gets it this race. There's also SpongeBob up in 3rd as well. Peppa Pig in dead last by 22 seconds. He's heading to the elevator for lap 7. He's had a good lead this entire race as well. Mike Wazowski, he won race 2, fell off for a little bit. Then in the last 2 races, just the last race, I don't mean the last 2 races, he got a silver, 2nd place. For 1 second lead currently, this would probably be another podium position. And Queen still in 2nd. There's also Mario up in 5th. He is somewhat of a championship contender, but it'd be a bit hard for him to do it. Mike Wazowski gonna stumble a minor bit, but that is a great lead. Heading into the elevator for lap 8. He's gonna stumble a little bit in the elevator, giving... Oh, but everyone's gonna stumble in the elevator there. Poe is also up there in the 3-way fight for 2nd place now. And Mike Wazowski with a huge lead. We head into the 8th lap. Wazowski's still got it. And I think he's going to win the championship at this point. Even if he falls down a position or maybe 2, I think he'll still have it. SpongeBob's also up in second place. SpongeBob has only gone to third place before. Back at Moving Mountain, just like SpongeBob did. I mean, Mike Wazowski, just like Mike Wazowski did. You don't even see Mike Wazowski on the camera now because it's too boring just to watch him. Poe's there up in second place as well. See Peter Griffin in fourth. Peter Griffin has gone so close to a podium position, but has just lost it in the final bit. And he looks like he's going to lose again, currently in sixth. We're heading to the penultimate lap of the final race. The Marble Cup. Mike Wazowski's still in the lead. Divisional championship, Mike Wazowski would win. Gru would now have second place. Poe would also take the podium position. There's Mario up in third place. Mario, just like Peter Griffin, can usually do good at the beginning, or at one moment, and fall off the next. It's a three-way fight for the lead, all of them in a straight, single-file line. There's everybody else there coming into the elevator, and oh, look at this! SpongeBob's gonna make a good maneuver and take the lead. Mike Wazowski's fallen down to third now. I think this would still give him the championship, but down in third now. Gru still with a 2-point provisionally. I think with that third place, Mike Wazowski would beat Gru. But as we head into the final lap of this race, chaos can happen. SpongeBob with the lead. Mike Wazowski trying to at least get a nudge to second place. He can't do the math himself. I can't even do it either. It's chaos here. Mike Wazowski, oh, he tried to make the maneuver to get into second place. And going into the wormhole, he will. Mike Wazowski's going to take second place. That could be a championship move. We end the elevator. SpongeBob will be your winner. It's a two-way tie for second place, but unless something like a jungle driveway happens, I think it will go to Mike Wazowski. Mario will take fourth. And for the final race, your winner will be SpongeBob. Again, in a finale, he wins, but with Mike Wazowski taking second, I think that is guaranteed your Marble Cup champion. Even though you did see Gru there getting 2 points, Mike Wazowski got 20, and he would definitely be beating him. Peppa Pig and Toad finishing out. Peppa Pig, another 0-point finish. 4 in a row now. Oh my god. SpongeBob. And Homer Simpson also picked fastest lap up there at the end. SpongeBob will be your winner. The finale. I don't know where that will place him, but I can't tell you because we are about to head to the closing ceremony. You can see those positions. I'm Jack Maples, signing off. Bye, guys.